I'm Catherine with AblePay Health and the organizer of our South by Southwest Panel Picker for South by Southwest 2019. We are going to discuss the issues of the shifting cost of healthcare and the impact that those have on providers and patients. Our panel of experts is going to discuss what is driving these costs, who's to blame, and what are some of the issues and challenges around solving these issues. And then, of course, most importantly, they're going to talk about some of the solutions. What we know, backed by evidence and surveys through time, is that one of the traditional barriers to people seeking medical care is the cost associated with it. And what we know today is over the last 5 years, deductibles have risen by 63%, which is pushing some Americans to high deductible health plans just to manage some of those initial premium out-of-pocket medical expenses. Yet we also know that more and more Americans are having an increasing difficulty paying their out-of-pocket medical expenses. So this is what our panel of experts is going to discuss. And we are bringing to you a great moderator, a journalist with the Boston Globe, Maria Cramer. Some of you may remember that Maria tweeted and also later wrote just a few days later. She tweeted on June 29th her firsthand account of watching a woman in Massachusetts have her leg stuck between the orange line. It was cut to the bone. But what she wrote about later was that the woman was not only crying in fear and pain, she had other fears. And what she asked the people trying to help her was, please do not call an ambulance. Do you know how expensive that is? And so we're bringing to you Maria with that firsthand experience to ask the hard questions for our panel of experts. And that panel includes John Fistner, CEO, President, and Founder of AblePay Health. John is a natural-born entrepreneur finding solutions for providers and patients to help with those out-of-pocket medical expenses. He is a natural-born entrepreneur. Like I said, he cut his teeth as being CFO and COO for a small physician group working with a large healthcare network. So he has that well-rounded expertise to offer some solutions. I'm also bringing you Dr. Mary Faria. She has spent 30 years as a healthcare administrator, so she has that hospital experience. She spent 21 years with Seton family of hospitals right here in Austin, Texas, and at least 17 of those as VP and COO of Seton Southwest Hospital. She has now gone on to retire and then, hey, why not be a CEO of a graduate medical school called AOMA for Integrative Medicine. So we're bringing that well-rounded expert in that space. And then finally, we're bringing you Ian Goodman, who is a benefits consultant with Arthur J. Gallagher, a huge brokerage firm in the nation. And they work with employer groups, helping them navigate healthcare systems, but mostly to minimize or control their healthcare costs. So Ian brings to you a wealth of information on that patient side, his experience in the employer space, and they are going to discuss and offer some solutions and hear your questions. And what we're asking you today is please vote for our panel picker. We appreciate your consideration, and we hope to see you next year in March 2019. Thank you.